As part of the third round of the Let's Drum project, Drum Fun delivered 8 fun and interactive musical workshops to Noah's Ark Nursery in Forres. The workshops included music and dance activities with drums and African xylophones. Each child had multiple opportunities to lead and showcase their sounds. We played songs on the guitar and gave the children opportunities to create their own rhythms and improvisations. We played counting games and sang about our favourite foods. Throughout the project, we followed the children's own interests and worked with the themes they showed most interest in, from animals and dinosaurs to storms and volcanoes.
It's really hot. What sound does a volcano make when it explodes? Could you make that sound on the drum?
Throughout, we encouraged working as a team and playing together, and most of all, having fun and enjoying making and playing our music.